Ever wondered how you can use Excel to create an alphabet code? Stay tuned, because in today's video I'm going to unveil a fascinating trick that lets you encode messages using the char and row functions in Excel. It's a clever method that transforms ordinary text into a coded format, perfect for secure communication or fun puzzles. Here is how it works. By using the char and row functions in Excel, you can convert each letter of the alphabet into its corresponding ASCII character. For example, char 65 corresponds to A, char 66 to B, and so on. Combine this with the row function to dynamically generate codes based on the position of each letter in your text. As a result, you'll have a powerful tool at your fingertips to create alphabet codes effortlessly in Excel. This method not only enhances your Excel skills but also opens up a world of possibilities for data manipulation and encryption. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.